And then Richland College Services, I encourage you guys to take advantage of the Learning Center. If you go to the Learning Center, let's say you're trying to type up a blog, or you're trying to type up one of our papers, and you're typing it on Word or something, and you print it out, and you take it over to the Writing Center. They will give you a little thing that you can scan, and you can email that to me, and I'll give you 10 points for going there to get your work looked at. And a lot of students, they'll just go ahead and scan the paper, the draft that they had reviewed there, because they put a stamp on it. And they'll scan that, and they'll just email that to me, so that's how I know to give you the 10 points. And then if you write me, like when you send me that on the email, go ahead and write me a reflection of whether you got any benefit out of being at the writing lab or any of that stuff, and that you'll use it in the future, or they taught you something new and whatever. Whenever you write a reflection, I'll give you another 5 points, so that's a total of 15 points for using the writing lab.
So if you don't do the extra credit assignments, it's impossible to get full grades on the class. Is that right?
To get A's?
Mm-hmm.
No. It's not possible.
Not impossible. Okay.
But what happens in a class like this, we get about to the drop date, and a whole bunch of people start to wake up and realize they haven't been turning in things, and this has got something every week, and so they're going to have that little mental meltdown, and they're going to probably decide to drop the class. And I'm just going to go ahead and get ready to edit this in. Whatever you do before you withdraw, don't do it. Call me. Wimba Pronto. Email. General Q&A. But don't do it. That ought to edit well. Because usually what happens is those who stick around at the end and they're still being present in the class, they get to do a lot of extra credit. But there's several students that, there's students that are good students that, by default, they're going to go to the writing lab once anyway. So I figure I might as well reward them.
The only reason why I ask is 35 miles each way to me to get here.
Okay.
So